If you're running Google ads for a home service business and getting junk leads or no leads at all, it might be because of the way you have your account set up. In this video, I show you how Google ads are structured, and I walk you through how to structure a Google Search Ads account the right way, especially if you're in a home service business like septic, fencing, or floor refinishing. Often business owners or marketers who don't know any better set up one campaign, dump all their keywords in one big ad group, and hope for the best. But Google doesn't work that way. If your ad structure is messy, if your ads show up for the wrong searches or lead to an unfocused landing page, you'll waste money attracting people who are never going to hire you. To avoid wasting your ad budget, you need to understand Google Ads structure and use it to your advantage. Google Ads have a very simple structure. You have the campaign. This sets your budget and targeting. You have ad groups. These are like folders for each type of service you offer. Then you have keywords. These are the search phrases people type into Google to find your ad. And then you have ads. This is what they see. And these ads lead to landing pages. This is where they go after clicking on your ad. A campaign can have more than one ad group, but each ad group and everything beneath it should be focused on the same service. If you offer multiple services like septic pumping, septic tank installation, and drain field repair, each service should be in its own ad group, with keywords, ads, and a landing page all focused on that specific service. Google loves it when you match keywords with the right ad and the right landing page because Google wants to give the user the best experience possible. In other words, Google wants to give people exactly what they're searching for. And when you help make that happen, Google rewards you in many ways. Your quality score will improve, your click-through rate goes up, and your cost per lead goes down. And you get better leads because people find exactly what they're looking for. And for you, that means a better lead who's ready to hire you. When your ad group, keywords, ads, and landing page are all aligned and focused on the same service, you'll get good leads from people who want exactly what you offer. Let's say you're a fence company. One ad group might be for cedar fence installation, another aluminum fence installation, and yet still another for chain link fence installation. Each group has its own ad copy and goes to a landing page about that specific service. That way, you're not showing an ad for chain link fences to someone who really wants a cedar fence. If your account structure is all mixed up, you're wasting money and missing good leads too. Nobody wants that. The right account setup is the difference between someone calling you to install a drain field or calling you to install a brain shield. One's a profitable job and the other is just a tinfoil hat. If you'd like for me to take a look at how your account is set up, get in touch. I offer free phone consultations. Just click the link in the description and book a time that works for you.